In the serene pasture, the sun dipped low, casting a golden hue over the grazing cows. One cow, affectionately named Clara, lifted her head, her big brown eyes sparkling with curiosity. She let out a soft, low-pitched moo, signaling her calm contentment while standing close to her calf, who nuzzled against her side, eagerly seeking warmth and reassurance. This simple scene illustrated the intricate emotional world of cows, where even a gentle moo could signify a bond as deep as the land they roamed. Clara's soft moo echoed gently in the evening air, a calm response that resonated with her calf. Meanwhile, another cow named Benny, lingering nearby, lifted his head from his patch of grass. He mirrored Clara's tone, releasing a short, rhythmic moo, as if to inquire about the day's activities. This subtle exchange hinted at a complex communication dynamic, showcasing how cows cultivated relationships through their unique sounds and emotional expressions. In this tranquil moment, the bonds within the herd became increasingly evident, underscoring the intelligence and warmth of these remarkable animals. In the distance, the soft murmurs of the evening settled around them, and Clara's calf responded with a playful squeak, a bright sound that interrupted the stillness. Intrigued, Benny stepped closer, his ears perked up, as he interjected with another short moo, filled with curiosity. This interaction ignited a small flurry of vocalizations among the herd, each cow contributing to the growing chorus of their collective chatter. The gentle symphony of sounds painted a vibrant picture of their social landscape, where each moo, grunt, or beep revealed layers of emotion and intention. Clara watched with a keen eye, taking part in this joyful dialogue as the sun continued its descent, casting long shadows across the lush grass. As Clara observed her surroundings, she felt a wave of protective instinct wash over her, particularly as her calf ventured a few hesitant steps away. This prompted a series of low moos from her, each sound a gentle reminder for her calf to stay close. The urgency in her tone was palpable, resonating within the herd. Benny, catching the slight shift in atmosphere, responded with a series of deeper, more resonant moos, almost as if to reassure Clara that everything was okay. It was fascinating how, in mere seconds, the dynamics of the herd shifted into a protective dance, showcasing the rich emotional tapestry that weaves together their everyday existence. Their interactions, though simple in appearance, reflected a profound understanding and connection among the cows, weaving a story that extended beyond the mere act of grazing. Clara's vigilance served as an anchor amid the playful chaos, capturing the essence of motherhood in the intricate world of cow communication. The sun was now nearly set, casting an amber glow across the pasture, and the peaceful ambiance was interrupted by the approach of a farmer. He whistled a tune, a sound that the cows recognized well from their daily routines. Clara and Benny turned their heads simultaneously, their ears twitching, attuned to the familiar sound of their caretaker. This moment illustrated yet another layer of the cow communication spectrum, revealing how these animals had learned to associate human whistles with food and care. The herd, sensing the farmer's presence, began to shift, their soft moos transitioning into excited grunts and low bellows, a clear signal of their anticipation for the evening feed. Clara, with her calf nestled securely at her side, added her own low, rhythmic moo, urging her fellow cows to gather closer, reinforcing their social structure in response to the farmer's imminent arrival. The farmer paused at the fence, his eyes scanning the herd with a practiced gaze. He smiled at the lively response from Clara and her companions, appreciating the symphony of anticipation building among the cows. "Hey there, my beauties!" he called out, his voice warm and inviting. Clara tilted her head, recognizing the kindness in his tone. She instinctively stepped forward. The vibrant connection between them highlighted the profound relationship nurtured over time, a testament to understanding unspoken language. The farmer began filling the trough with fresh feed, causing the excitement among the cows to mount. Clara's low moo transformed into a series of eager grunts, reflecting the joy and gratitude felt by the herd. Each cow eagerly approached, forming a delicate chorus of distinct sounds as they united in their shared anticipation. As the farmer continued to distribute the feed, Clara nudged her calf gently, encouraging him to join the bustling crowd. The calf, emboldened by his mother's presence, emitted a series of soft, inquisitive grunts, trying to make his voice heard amid the excitement. Benny, who had always watched over the young calf, joined in with melodic, low-pitched moos that echoed the calf's eagerness, reinforcing the nurturing bonds within the herd. The tranquil atmosphere of the pasture transformed into a tapestry of sound. Delightful moos, excited grunts, and the rustling of hay blended together, creating a chorus of life. Clara felt a comfortable wave of belonging wrap around her as she interacted with the rest of the herd, reminding everyone that they were indeed part of something larger than themselves, cementing their roles within this ever-evolving, harmonious community. Each sound, each motion transcended mere communication, becoming a celebration of their relationships, of joy and sustenance that encapsulated the essence of farm life. As the trough filled with feed, the air buzzed with excitement and Clara's calf approached cautiously, mimicking his mother's soft grunts. Sensing the jubilant energy surrounding him, he let out a series of higher-pitched sounds. Curiosity sparkled in his eyes as he observed the other cows eagerly chowing down. Benny, always the protector, trailed closely behind, offering up his own low, reassuring moos to encourage the calf. Each sound echoed their shared experiences, solidifying the bonds forged through countless days spent in the pasture under the expansive sky, immersed in the language of their kind. The farmer observed the vibrant scene before him, smiling at the enthusiastic responses of his cows. Suddenly, Clara let out a series of higher-pitched moos, signaling her growing excitement as she encouraged her calf to step closer to the trough. The calf, now emboldened, answered with a cheerful squeak, his own voice blending timidly with the rest of the herd's enthusiastic clatter. Clara watched closely, her eyes reflecting pride and reassurance, as the calf took a tentative leap forward, his little hooves padding softly against the ground. In that shared moment, a deeper understanding seemed to pass through the herd, connecting them all in a lively expression of love and camaraderie. As the trough brimmed with feed, the cows' vocalizations crescendoed, creating a jubilant symphony of sound. Clara's excitement was palpable. Her mooing grew more animated, resonating with the joy and anticipation enveloping the herd. Through a flurry of low grunts and cheerful bellows, each cow contributed to the vibrant chorus, showcasing not just their eagerness for sustenance, but the strength of their social bonds. Clara nudged her calf forward, her warming presence emboldening him to explore this newfound camaraderie amongst his fellow barnmates. Benny, noticing the calf's tentative steps, echoed Clara's encouragement, his deep moos serving as a loving guide, emphasizing their shared connection within the harmonious dance of the pasture. As Clara and her calf stepped toward the trough, Benny continued to vocalize his support, his low rhythms establishing a comforting backdrop for the young one. With each soft grunt from Benny, Clara felt a rush of gratitude, knowing the importance of such bonds within their community. The air thickened with anticipation as the sounds of crunching feed created a vibrant atmosphere where the joyous celebration of life echoed across the pasture. Clara looked around, her heart swelling with happiness, embracing the realization that this moment encapsulated everything meaningful about their existence: love, community, and the unique language they spoke. In that lively setting, she knew that every moo, every grunt, and every low bell was a testament to their shared journey, continuing to nurture the intricate tapestry of their lives. As the last bits of daylight faded, Clara continued to savor the delightful atmosphere, her senses attuned to the harmonious blend of sounds surrounding her. Each moo and grunt reflected the warmth of connection, and she caught Benny's eye, sharing a moment of unspoken understanding that emphasized their roles as caretakers within the herd. The world of cow communication was alive with richness, resonating deeply within her, highlighting the profound bonds they nurtured every day. As the stars twinkled brightly above the tranquil pasture, Clara knew that their simple yet profound moments of communication brought depth to their lives. Embracing the night's serenity, she felt a renewed sense of purpose within the herd, a reminder that even the quietest voices hold great significance.